Hello everyone. How to be persistent in your life? How can you do that? You have some goals, you know what you're gonna do, and you know everything. After doing some days, you feel so tired, you can't continue, or maybe even you give up. In this video, I'm gonna talk about this one, that how to be persistent in your life and how you can achieve your goals and what you want. If you're ready, please keep watching this video. If you've just found our channel, I'm Ershad from United Braves. This channel is about entrepreneurship, success, the psychology of success, mindset, online and offline marketing. I help you to master your life, your business. To watch more videos like this video and future videos, every week I release 3 videos for you to help you to be successful and achieve your goals. Please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel. How to be persistent in your life? I have some goals. I know where I'm gonna go. I know what I'm gonna do. After doing some days, I feel tired. I feel drowned. I can't continue. I can't do anything and I give up. This is the problem that most people have. Unsuccessful people have this problem and they don't know why. They can't be persistent in their lives, and they all the time ask themselves that how they can be persistent. For example, maybe it's happened to you already. You had some goals and you had a plan, great plan. You made the plan for everything. You had some goals and everything. Then after doing that one, I mean some days, maybe 2 weeks, you felt tired and you didn't continue that way and you gave up. This is a problem. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about this, that how to be persistent in your life. And why is it important? I mean, why you should know how to be persistent in your life. Because if you don't know how to be persistent, as I already told you, you know everything. You have your goals, you set goals, you have plans, great plans, you make a plan for your goals and you know everything, you have vision, life purpose, everything that is necessary to achieve your goals you have, all the tools and all the skills. But after a while, although you have everything, you're able to do anything you want, you give up and you feel tired, you can't continue. One of the reasons is you're not persistent enough, or you don't know how to be persistent. This is so important because all of successful people around the world, they are persistent enough to achieve what they want and they are patient enough. They know that achieving goals takes effort, takes time, takes hard work, takes to be persistent enough. It's not something that happens overnight. It takes time. It takes effort. That's why it is so important that we should know that how to be persistent in our life to be successful, to achieve what we want. I'm gonna help you step by step, guide you how to be persistent in your life. The first thing that you should know is your values. What are your values in your life? You should know that. And this is so important. If you want to become successful, you need to know this one, that what are your values, what you care about and what you don't. This is something so essential that we need to know it. I already released a video. You need to watch this video if you don't know what your values are. In that video, I talk about the best method to find your values, the best method that how you can find it. And then I talk about how to set goals, and short-term goals and long-term goals. And also you need to know your life purpose, because they are exactly like a chain, you know, they are related to each other, connected to each other. If you don't know one thing, you missed one thing, and this chain, they are not connected to each other, you will miss. That's why you need to know all of the things. The first step is your values. The second one is your life purpose. And after that, you need to set goals based on your life purpose. Based on, your life purpose is something so great. It's the mission and the reason that you're living in this world. And you need to know that. And your life purpose is something that helps you to create your vision. Your vision is based on your life purpose. For example, 10 years later, what you're gonna achieve or where you're gonna be, this is your vision that you need to have. This is something based on your life purpose. And after that, you need to set some goals, some great goals, big goals, based on your vision. And after setting goals based on your vision, of course, you need to have some short-term goals and long-term goals. For example, choose one of the goals that you think it's so great and can have a great impact on your life. Then set some short-term goals and long-term goals. For example, you have a great goal for 1 year later. In this great goal has some long-term goals. For example, long-term goals is 6 months, 5 months, 2 months even. And then you have some short-term goals. You need to break your goals, and you should have some sub-goals. Then you need to just take actions little by little. This is the secret. This is the secret of persistence. This is the secret that how to be persistent in your life. You need to break your goals in some steps. For example, if you want to write a book, you shouldn't say that, okay, I'm going to write a book in 1 week. No, this is not something that you can't do it for the first time if you're not qualified enough, if you're not experienced enough. This is for professional people. Even I don't recommend, because you need to give yourself sometimes to take a rest, sometimes to think better, and then again start writing. Or you're gonna lose your weight. If you say that, okay, in 1 month I wanna lose 20 kilograms, and you're trying to do that doesn't work. You should see the reality. If you set some goals like this, after, for example, 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, you see that you are so far away from your goals. And so what will happen? You give up. This is a problem. So if you want to achieve your goals and to be persistent in your life, you need to know you should have some little step like this one. First, you need to have your life purpose, your vision. Then you need to set some goals. Then long-term goals and short-term goals, and you have some small pieces of goals. As I already told you, you need to lose your weight, 20 kilograms. Okay, that's okay. For example, for the first month, you need to set like this. Every day I try to do exercise. I try to work out. Not for 2 hours a day, not for 3 hours a day, for 20 minutes, for at least 20 minutes. And you need to start like this, 20 minutes. For example, the first week 20 minutes, the second week 25 minutes, the third week 30 minutes. In this case, if you're doing something like this, gradually, if you do that, after a while, it becomes your habit. And if it becomes your habit, you will have no problem. You don't need to, of course, put yourself and push yourself in a hard situation to do that, to take that action. No, automatically you will do it. For example, for brushing your teeth, you don't have any problems. You will wake up and then you go to the bathroom and brush your teeth. This is something, your habit. As you see, for example, a kid, you should teach them how to brush their teeth. Maybe they don't want to do that, but you help them little by little, and then it becomes their habit, and they automatically do. You as an adult, Nobody forces you to brush your teeth or do something. You automatically do it. It's your habit. And if you try to make something as your habit, be sure after a while you don't need any effort and pushing yourself to take that action and do that. Automatically you will do it. So just something becomes your habit, that you do it, keep trying every day, but little by little, step by step. I mean, I told you already that if you want to lose your weight, start like this. The first week, every day I work out for 20 minutes. The second week, 25 minutes. The third week, 30 minutes. And like this, continue. You're working out, and be sure after a while you see that it's so okay for you. There is no problem. You can continue your plan and everything without any effort and without any, I don't know, trying so hard and pushing yourself. No, there is no need for that. And then you can master everything that you want, and you can learn new skills like this. For example, if you want to learn a new language, like this, every day try to learn 5 new words. 5 new words, not more than that. That's it. That's all the secrets that you need to know. And if you want to achieve your goals, you need to break it to small pieces. And then you can become successful. You can achieve your goals. You can achieve what you want. This is the secret of how to be persistent in your life. And of course, you should know your life purpose. If you don't know your life purpose and how to set goals and achieve them, I already released a video. Please click on this link and watch that video. In that video, I talk about that how to find your life purpose, to set goals, short-term goals and long-term goals. I hope you like this video. Please hit the thumbs up. I want you to like this video. Please do it. To watch more videos like this video, please right now click on the red button below the video and subscribe our channel. And be sure to get the bell to get notified, because every week I release 3 videos for you to help you to master your life and your business. And please leave your comments. I mean, if you have any questions, if you have some problems or you have another idea, please share with us, and please leave your comment below the video. And of course, please share this video with your friends, with anyone you know, and if you want to help them, of course, this universe is like this. If you help somebody, this universe helps you and gives you some opportunities that even you can't imagine. This is the secret. I wish you all the best, health and wealth. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.